Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first concrete steps. Install Docker Engine and Docker Compose now, then create a project folder such as /n8n Docker and set ownership so Docker can read files. Once done, add a n file and populate critical settings like n8n basic auth active equals true, n8n basic auth user, and n8n basic auth password, and any external database variables. This ensures secure access and prepares the environment for the container definitions you will add next. Now you build the Docker Compose configuration and enable persistence. Write a Docker Compose YAML that references the official N8N image, maps port 5678 to the host, mounts a host volume to /home/node/ N8N, and uses a restart unless stopped policy. Make sure to include DB service or connection strings if using Postgres. Also set node env equals production, TZ, and any HTTPS-related variables if you terminate TLS outside the container. Once composed, run Docker Compose upd to instantiate services and confirm. Finish by launching the stack and validating the instance. You run Docker Compose upd and then tail logs with Docker Compose logs fn8n to watch boot messages. Make sure the server binds to port 5678 and basic auth is enforced. Next, open the UI at http://yourhost 5678 and create or import a simple workflow to confirm persistence. If something fails, check volume ownership and permissions, confirm environment variables are correct, and resolve port conflicts or
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.